quick video. I've got a 55-inch Samsung Q95A here, 2021 model. I'm going to mount it today on a standard flat wall bracket. As we can see there, this TV has a 200mm square VESA mount. It takes M8 bolts, 11 to 13mm. I've got a fairly standard, more sort of premium flat bracket here, so it should be nice and low profile anyway. I'll put a link down below if anyone wants to have a look at this or alternative item. In that box, basically, that is the plate that will attach to the wall. These are the arms that will go on the back of the TV. So that on the wall, these will just hook on like so. Pull the string, snaps down, pull the string again when I want to release and unhook the TV, and it will just lift off. So two arms on the TV, hook down like that and click on. Also in there, got some M8 bolts. They may be 10mm, so they could be a bit short. Soon find out. Also 50mm M8 bolts here, some M6 bolts and so on as well, washers and some more. They M6, M6 and M4. Also spacers if we want to space it away from the wall. Just give you a template there. You can mark your wall out with the template. I just usually hold the bracket on, spirit level on the top, level up that way. I'm going to attach one arm, I'd say roughly about there. Oh, there maybe. So I've got a hole here and a hole there. Okay, 4 of these M8 bolts out of the pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quickly just nip those up. So like I say, push the slack up on each of the arm, get that bit of wobble, so push that up, can't go any further the other way. Okay, so that's the arms attached to the TV. See, we've got these pull strings, so they'll release the bracket, which we'll see. Then when we're done mounting, we've got little magnets on the bottom. They'll stick there, so we've not got strings dangling down below the TV on the wall. So this plate will be on the wall, obviously. It does have a built-in bubble or spirit level. I always put one on top just to be sure. So it'll go like that and click in. So the TV securely in place. Pull the 2 strings and we can lift the TV off the wall again. 16mm gap between the plate and the back of the TV, so that's a nice low profile mount. TV is 28mm, so from the wall to the front of the TV screen will be 44mm in total. Also, while it's there, if I know the height of the top or bottom I want the TV, say it's the bottom, I can measure from the bottom to the bottom of the bracket for reference. It gives me there 44 centimetres, so wherever I want my TV, 44 centimetres up, central, that's where I shall mount that plate. I have marked where I want the bottom of my TV to be. Said 44 centimetres, so from there to there, that is going to be the bottom of my mount. That shows up, bottom of the mount there. I'm going to put 4 screws in this. I've got a chipboard wall here with a vinyl covering. Wood walls you can pre-drill whatever, brick walls I would use concrete screws myself. I'll put a link below, but make sure you use the appropriate fixings. Let's get it the right way up. So spirit level on the top, and I can mark those 4 where I actually have screw holes from before, so I might go for different ones, have some fresh holes there, there, and there. Don't know how well that shows, but I've marked 4 new holes to go there. Because this is just a vinyl covering, I can just pierce that vinyl straight into the chipboard small impact driver, find a hole. I've just nipped one loosely there. Lift that up a touch. What I'll do, put another screw in, then spirit level back on. Just check my brackets level again. So that is off a touch. Okay, so I've got it nice and level. I'll nip those two screws tight. I can simply just drive the other two in. Okay, the mount is nice and secure on the wall. You can see there, got the one connect lead ready. That's the only lead that goes to the Q95A. I would recommend 2 people for this part. I basically just lift it up and slid down. I just move along a touch. So when I push this in, I should fasten those leads up actually. So those little dangly strings, they've got the magnets on to fasten to the arms. It should just push and click in, like so. That is it. Obviously you've got to connect the one connect lead, but as far as wall mounting the thing goes, that is it.